Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace and welcome to Kitchen with Grace. This is my first video, so please subscribe and also watch. Today I'll be making mandazi. As you can see, I have my 6 ingredients there. I have flour, 2 cups of flour. I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I have 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of margarine, a cup of milk, and 2 lemons. You first mix your dry ingredients. Make sure zimemix kabisa, ile ya vizuri kabisa. After mixing your dry ingredient na uone ziko mix up vizuri, you can now put your lemon. Here I didn't have a squeezer. Now you can choose to use your hand. Let's put our milk. You put little by little. Unaweza choose kutumia mwiko hapa kwanza before you start using your hands. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, as I said there before, and I'll be doing any recipe that you request me to do. So make sure you comment and tell me the next recipe yenye nitafanya, and I will do it for you guys. Now we come to using our hands. Hapa ni ukuwe na nguvu kabisa, because making this dough, any dough kama ni ya mandazi, chapati, you need to be strong because you need to put a lot of energy. If your bowl is small, you can transfer your dough kwa your working space. Tuendelee kukanda. As you can see, it's coming out very well smoothly, and as you also can see, it's not sticky. For you to know that your dough is now fully made, ukishika hivi haifai kuwa sticky, na ukiinua hivi kwa bowl haifai kuwa inaachwa hapo kwa bowl. So make sure your dough is smooth and not sticky. And by the way, here I was doing it at night. I like doing my dough at night so that the next morning I just wake up and cook to give it enough time to rest. You cover your dough with a foil paper, but I didn't have any foil paper. I used my kitchen towel, a clean kitchen towel. That's the one I used to cover my dough. Good morning. It's now time to cook. As you can see, my dough has risen just a little bit. It's not that bad, but it's good. You can now, before you start rolling, ukande kidogo for it to be smooth, because unajua imekaa the whole night. Now it's not that smooth kabisa. It has to be smooth ile ya kabisa, hata ukikanda hivi inajipeleka tu yenyewe. You can put a little bit of flour. You can now pick your rolling stick and start rolling. And guys, if you want to do this recipe, you can do it and then tag me into my Instagram. You can go into my description box. My Instagram link iko hapo. Tag me and I will repost you in my stories. Please. My Instagram handle is Grace_Juguna. Juguna with an H at the end. If you want your dough to be thick, it's okay. If you want it to be thin, it's okay. But for mandazi, it has to be a little bit thick. Not like for chapati, but for me, I like it to be not thick, not thin. Ikuwe hapo katikati, so that it can well be cooked inside. Najua kuna mandazi zingine unaonanga ni nono. Ukienda kukata hivi ndani haijaiva. Just the dough inside, but juu imeiva. Juu it's brown, but ndani haijaiva. Then you can cut your dough into any shape you want. You can cut it your dough. And meanwhile, when I was cutting, my oil was heating. I forgot to show you, but I will show you. My oil was heating. You can pick your mandazi one by one to avoid them sticking. As you can see, now that's my oil. It's heating. And it's a lot of oil. If you want to know your oil is super hot, just put in your cooking stick. If it burns like that, your oil is super hot. You can continue putting your mandazi. Here's round 1. Yeah, there you go. For me, I was just putting only 4 mandazi because my sufuria is not that big. And yes, I will use my serving spoon. Oh God, it's okay, but I'll use this one. You can if your oil is hot, it's just 3 seconds and the mandazis are done. You can now turn the other side. If the other side is fully made, sasa unaweza toa one by one. And here you have to be careful. This is oil and it's hot. Now my second round, I'm also putting 4 of them. Because if I had a big sufuria, I would put 5 or even 6. I turn. Only 3 seconds and the one side is done. The other side, another 3 seconds. There you go. I love that color of my mandazi. Ako kalifura hadi kakataa kutana. Now there are my mandazis. I'm done and they are cooked very well. Let's check inside. There you go. They are very, very good and sweet. So guys, thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.